Well, Zion Chamber there, the vibes gone clear. Introducing Lucas, the youngest member of Zion Train. Make some noise for Lucas. We're right about now. I'm not say sorry. I don't keep no recompense to no man. Because we are taught the truth right now. Introducing the one and only Fitta Warri. Fitta Warri!
Nice telling. Greetings, Poland. And this song is entitled The Dirty Dancer.
Tell them that.
Yo, check me good enough. Listen, Poland. The dirty dancer, the bloody bonanza. Some a stray out and themselves and become a dollar predator. They kill you for the cash, cause them heart is bitter. As them see the dollar sign, they might start glitter. Say the dirty dancer, the bloody bonanza. Some a stray out and themselves and become a dollar predator. Them will slew you for the cash, them heart is bitter. That's why Rasta chant like the Ostróda. Bloody bonanza. Some get caught up in the prostitution, robbery and murder. And I do furious, make people happy wonder. That's why Rasta chant like, listen. The main source of survival is this piece of paper. If you don't have it right as well, you go to the undertaker. As you start accumulating what you're for the traitor. The money medicals, the cash vampires. Say the dirty dancer, say the dirty dancer. Some are run through people, place me like bulldozer. And I take up everything like bulldozer. Sometimes kill and leave behind. And I pull water. Say the dirty dancer, say the dirty dancer. Some of them people on my fundraiser. When they raise the fund, them change the color. Rasta come to know the way they are top fire. Say the dirty dancer, dirty dancer, dirty dancer, dirty dancer, the dirty dancer, say them dirty dancer. Dirty money, you know. Poland! How are you doing? I greet in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile King Selassie I the First. Jah!
Rastafari Selassie.
The next thing is called Never Fall as a Victim to the Shits. Be independent. I said never fall as a victim to the system, yeah. No, no, no.
Tell them Rasta one time, you know. Tell them don't let the blind and lead the blind.
No.
You don't know. I will meditation from this station. Love light and meditation. Fitta Warri. In a Pisha. Jah.
To them Babylonian system, because them system sickening, they can't afford your uplifting. I see them system drifting, that's why Poland me lifting. Righteousness today, never fall as a victim. To them Babylonian be a vagabond. Tune we are set for the generation. Babylon system, hot and don't care about them how they use them yam. Just to strong in the yam, in the yam, like a lion. Tough like a lion, sting like scorpion, put up resistance. To both of them system, them knows that a chance. All these stacks to feed the new sons. With a strong determination, work for what you want. But please, never call it a victim. To them Babylonian system. System sickness, they cannot find your victim. System drifting, they would be lifted. Right? Time, trying to make something out of nothing. The system and kind, we will find a peace of mind to design. A way to abstain from crime is a sign, is a trap. Let myself be trap we up like swine. Loophole is there as long as the sun it a shine. While the system of all, we are rise and a climb. To higher heights we are inclined. Never fall as a victim to the system. System sickening, they cannot find your lifting. System drifting, poor and the lifting. Righteousness today. Never fall as a victim to them Babylonian system. System sickening, they cannot find your lifting. System drifting, they use for lifting. Love you people. It's 25 years of Zion train. So this here is the power of the 7. Number 7 in numerology means perfection. 2 7's 14, 2014. 215 equal to 7. And the 7 of us representing the Zion train tonight.
Last
Run the next thing. Yeah.
Original things called the Zion train just rolling in. Fitta Warri. In a P-shot.
All right. Are you ready? Whoa.
Ostróda.
What?
Are you ready? Fitta, Church, wheel up, stop it,
Are you ready?
You ain't ready, Are you ready?
Yeah!
Nah, man, them not ready.
All right, are you ready?
Them not ready.
All right, you ask them now.
Are you ready? Them ready, you know, right?
Big call. Ostroda freestyle. We can know.
Last year, I know, in a piece now. Fun we have now.
Ostroda with it.
Zion train, man.
Yep.
Fitta Warri, watch this tire. Joe!
there not in a Ostróda. Come with the fire, hot like a lava. Hell Babylon by judgment, Pandy Bada. A Fitta Warri, Yasmin and Dope Dada. Ostróda, Ostróda. But Babylon now with the Reggae lava. Ostróda, right? Ostróda. Hold up the fire, get Ostróda. Ostróda, Ostróda. You came to look to the Almighty Father. Ostróda, Ostróda. Why you want to do that?
I'm say bubbly bunny with the mix bounce right back. I take the fan of food out the raw idiot. Dub that I got bubble and the most game flat. And when they come to reading, say me boom shakala. Say me bubble to the right and me say double to the left. When me come to vice, I say we knock and deaf. Yes, we are got double, it's a double quick time. Zion Trina, blow up your mind. Ostróda, I can hear you.
From Ostroda, one for one person. No matter who you are, where you come from. We are what? Poland people. We say good over evil. Ostroda fest. You are looking like you are the best, best, best. Yes, yes, yes. Ostroda. Style and fashion. Do better, come for the version.
Make some noise for Fitta Warri. Come on, make some noise. Original, you know.
Yeah, man.
Ostroda, Yakshumache.
Large up, large up.
Yakshumache.
Yeah, man.
It's all good. Big in the neighborhood. Go on, Rasta. Ostróda, Atiya, Dope Dada, yeah? Russia, Kasha. I love music. You don't, I love music. Listen. Beware of thy enemies. Listen.
Beware of thy enemies.
Beware. We chant them down by enemies.
We and them are not friends.
Beware of thy enemies. Yeah.
Beware of them. Beware of them.
Let me tell them, Fitta, listen. Give me the mix, Rasta. It was the 15th of the 1st, 1991. The finger and the trigger and it worked upon. The one called Bush and Mr. Saddam. The two of them together, they were crazy, man. Whether 12 years into the 16th of one.
them a plan. Talking to the one who will kill Saddam. Right. No matter if them a French, no matter if them a German. No matter if them a Polish or them a Italian. Right. We don't want no real war up on this island. Oh, what them all over.
On section.
Give it to them now, one section.
Go Lucas. Go pitch. Give me the mix. Give me the mix. To beware. Lost y'all, man. Show me 7 o'clock. Show me 7 o'clock. All right, people. I beg the birds.
Let me hear you.
Fitta. We can't hear them, Ross.
No, we can't hear you from up here. Let us hear you.
Polska, jak się macie? Come and sit up like this, come and sit up like that. I saw you tune a double and your mouth straight back. And when we touch your back, it's every boom shot for that. I saw you tune a double. What? Ostroda, I'm a granddaddy now. I can hear you. I love you, you know.
Yeah, man.